Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook without password and mobile number. To know how to fix Facebook without password and mobile number, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page you will go to click force stop. After that, in this page you will click here storage, sorry, and then in this page you will click clear cache. After that you will go to click clear data, and after all that you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another